was I didn't hear no squeal, but I was kicked back here listening.
Well, what you receive here today beside me?
Well, I tell you what, I just hit the button there, and you can find out for yourself.
Well, I tell you what, if you got BT in there, I know it's gonna be a cold day in hell before you enter New York City. And I'm on my lowest watt. I'm on my lowest watt radio.
Talking about BT, I actually have not heard him in months.
I'm trying to unlock it to throw the Roger beam on to solidify the omission. Keep up the good work.
You getting a bunch of noise over there?
Yeah, we got a little static, not much. Not much atmosphere today for us because we got the sunshiny, sky, the color of love kind of day.
Yeah, what radio you talking on over there?
I'm sorry, would you ask what radio I'm talking on?
Yes, sir. That's what I said.
I'm on the Superstar 6900. Yeah, you're coming in pretty good too, man. I'm on the Superstar 6900.
Okay, well that one sounds really good back this way.
Hello, I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
And of course, you'll be able to check and find out for yourself.
Hello, 514. Well, that's what I love about your gauge, man. That's what I like about the cats who gate. You know what I mean? We all know that the test equipment on the table can tell us everything in the world, but it still ain't telling us how that receive going to be hearing us. Your 127 got down.
Yeah, I could switch up, manipulate the signals, you know, if I wanted to, you know, just leaving it where it's at most of the time. But yeah, I could bump the beam either direction. I could change polarities, whatever. But top of the day, A127, you're 351 in Florida, right back.
Yes, sir. I look for the lower signals. Like when I'm listening to the skip gates, I could judge my sound better if I'm sitting between a 3 and a 5 or a 3 and a 7 than I could if I was up in the Strawberry. Because when you have the radio like that, the characteristics you may be looking for, you won't be able to identify.
I'm good between a 3 and a 7 if that's how I'm coming in. I'll be fine with just that, you know, as long as I'm getting through there with a little bit of audio.
But I got well, listen, you ain't coming in with no 7, man. I'm on the 6900. You sitting up at the 9. It's very hard to bring this past the 9, man. It's got all the little bars in the face. You sitting up at the 9 zone, dude. I ain't got the video game rolling at the moment, but that's where you at. You too.
Alright, I appreciate it. I guess this little transistorized box there is doing her trick. Alright, we'll get back with you. A127. You have a good day. Gate will be up in a little bit. Well, I'll see you later.
I appreciate that, sir. You have yourself a blessed day. Stay safe and healthy. You're oh, they hate when I do that. The lowest, the lowest IMAX in New York, got on down.